Seasonal decorations can get expensive. I'm Brienne from OnlineFabricStore. One of my favorite ways to inexpensively decorate is through placemats. With just a little bit of fabric, you can spruce up your table and get to regularly see some of your favorite textures and patterns. Today we're going to make this placemat with a lovely rickrack trim. Follow along as we get started. For each placemat, you need the following pieces. A rectangle of your border/backing fabric that is 15 inches by 21 inches. A rectangle of your center fabric that is 12 inches by 18 inches. Make sure you cut your fabric so that any patterns or images appear landscape-wise. You can also use some rickrack if you'd like. I'm using a jumbo size. You will need about 56 to 60 inches total. To prep your border fabric for its mitered corners, fold over each side 1/2 inch and press. Fold over each side again 1 inch and press firmly. Unfold your border fabric so only the 1/2 inch fold is still folded over. From each corner, measure up 2 inches and mark with a small dot or line. Connect each of these points with a straight line. Fold the right sides together so that the points and line match up and pin together. Sew along this line. Repeat this process on each corner. Trim off the excess fabric at the corners. Fold to the right side and push out your corners. Press with your iron. Now it's time to put your center fabric inside. I like to make sure that it will fit before I try putting it inside. You may need to trim off a sliver of fabric if your mitered placemat ended up a little smaller than expected. That's fine. Flatten your center fabric using your hands. You will be sandwiching your rickrack between your center rectangle and your mitered outside. Cut a length of rickrack long enough for each side of your placemat, making sure there's enough excess to tuck under the border. Trim your lengths of rickrack and burn the ends lightly with a lighter. Sandwich your rickrack between the 2 layers of fabric so the middle of the rickrack is along the edge of the border fabric. Sew a seam very close to the border's edge. Thank you for watching this OnlineFabricStore tutorial. How did your rickrack trim placemat come out? Let us know in the comments. See you next time!